did say health is not a privilege for those who can afford. Health is a right for every Kenyan. And as a result, we needed to change the health delivery mechanism because it wasn't sensitive. We had NHIF that did not quite reach out to people who did not either have a job. It was based on people who have a job and those who can afford. But everybody gets sick. It's not those who can afford and those who have a job. Everybody gets sick. And the Constitution, Section 43, says every Kenyan, mandates government, in fact, commands government to make sure that every Kenyan has access to health. You also know that universal health coverage has been a discussion we have had as a nation for many years. It was in the NASA manifesto, it was in the NAC manifesto, it was in the Jubilee manifesto. In fact, one of our big four in Jubilee was universal health coverage. In this election, it was in the Kenya Kwanza manifesto, it was in the Azimio manifesto. And somebody had to do something about it. And we've had too many false starts. Professor Anyang' Nyong'o tried it, it didn't work. You remember Ngilu tried it, it didn't work. You remember we tried it as the Jubilee, it failed. This time round I said, it cannot fail. Because I have had sufficient experience to be able to deal with this thing. So we put together our universal health coverage plan. I can now tell you with a lot of confidence, all right, that we have a health insurance scheme that leaves no Kenyan behind.